What is up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel if you're new. I know with that last video we got quite a few new subscribers, so I want to thank you guys for that and welcome you to the channel. I have a little bit more stuff to swap, which is exciting because as soon as the parts are done being swapped, then I can dive back into finishing these 1-tons and getting them underneath the 4-door. I got the fenders left, the rock hard cage. I think really that's it. I got to get my onboard air taken out of the 2-door yet. I probably won't film that because it's down in the engine bay. But yeah, I think that's it. So let's dig right into it. Get these last couple of things swapped. I'm going to set up a time lapse. I know there's a ton of time lapse, but some of this stuff takes forever. So soon the time lapse will be done, hopefully. But set up a time lapse, get all the rest of these parts swapped, and then yeah, in the next video, we'll be painting and reassembling the 14 bolt, which is super exciting. It's finally ready. And also, I just wanted to say that with the new subscribers and the people joining the channel, I'm very good with constructive criticism. So anything you guys say to help me make these videos better, I'll take into consideration and try to put out the best content. I really enjoy doing this. I work on elevators for a living, but Jeeps are my passion, my side hobby. So this is what I do for fun on my days off, is film content, build Jeeps. So yeah, let's get to work. So I thought I was time-lapsing and my phone storage got full because the video that I already posted, the first one for the 4-door, I had all of that in my camera roll still. So I kept working last night, that way I could get done what I was working on, and then edited the video, got it uploaded, got all that stuff off my phone. So now I'm ready to start recording the next video. I did get some stuff done, so I'm going to update you quick. But I'll show you what I got done last night and what we're going to do today. And we'll go from there. So I got a little footage of this, of the bumper, but I got the rear hatch swapped. I just swapped the whole thing because it's just easier that way. And I got the rear bumper put on the frame chop. Obviously the muffler's gone because there's not enough room with the frame chop bumper. So yeah, that's all done, and currently I just started. I'm going to get this rock hard cage put in. As you can see, this one's got the other hatch back on it with the stock spare. But yeah, the task at hand right now is to get the rock hard cage taken out of this and put into the 4-door. So I'm going to start taking apart this interior, getting the visors off, these trim pieces, get everything out of the way. And yeah, we're going to start mocking up this cage. Let's get to it. So I'm currently trying to get the doors off. The doors have never been off this thing. I took the little security caps out and they're stuck. I got them to budge a little bit. I sprayed some PB Blaster in there. I'm going to let it sit. Hopefully it somehow gets down in there and I can get these things worked off. But I need to get them off. That way I can get in here to drill the holes out for the rock hard cage. I made this little template because obviously I don't have the instructions anymore. They're gone. So I made this template, mocked it up from the other side, got my holes marked out. Yeah, I just need to get these doors off so that I can get in there to drill it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on until I get them off. I got the dash bar laid up in here. I just wanted it in there first because I actually didn't put it in when I first had the cage, and it was a nightmare getting that bar in once the side pillars were in. So I just got it laying up there. That way I can put the sides in and then just hopefully easily bolt it up and everything should go okay. So yeah, get these doors off and I'll check back in with you. Man, what a fight that was. So, I don't know if this... I'm going to show you inside this hinge, but there's like a plastic insert maybe. Maybe that's why they were so stuck. I don't know. I don't remember my two-door ever having that in there, but I'll show you what it looks like. See that insert in there? Is that like factory or is it just paint because the doors have never been off? I don't know, but that was not fun. I used almost a whole can of PB Blaster. I just been spraying it, working it back and forth. I started spraying the rear doors too because they're going to have to come off eventually too because it's starting to get warm out. And I definitely don't want to fight them like that whenever I'm ready to take them off and enjoy the weather. So, but now that that's off, we can get our holes drilled. So let's keep at it and get this cage put in. Well, once again, just like every project goes, it took way longer than I thought it was going to take. It's probably around midnight now, but it's done. So I'll show you what it looks like. I have the top cross brace that goes to the sound bar. I got that to do yet, but that can go in any time. I just want to get it out of the two-door and get it put into here. I can put that crossbar in any time. So, but yeah, check it out. I'll show you what it looks like. I got to clean the windshield yet, but got it all taken care of. Turned out good, just how it was in the two-door. I didn't put any of the padding back because I ripped it all out of the two-door anyway because who needs padding, right? And I want to try to put some of it back in the two-door, whatever I can reuse. I went ahead and wire brushed out all the door hinge holes, so hopefully don't have a problem getting the doors off anymore. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna check back in tomorrow. I'm gonna get these fenders swapped. I gotta get my onboard air out yet, and I think that's it, which is exciting. It's all the parts I'm gonna swap, and then I can piece together the two-door back and get it ready to sell. But yeah, another step done. Next day here. Last night we finished up the roll cage. Well, not finished up, but got the main part of it swapped in. I still got the top cross brace to do. But today, task at hand, we need to get these flares swapped. And that's the last thing. Get the flares swapped, and then I don't need to rob any more parts off a two-door, which is exciting. Last night after I finished videoing, I ended up getting the onboard air taken out of the two-door. It's hard to film. It's down in the engine bay. So I got that out. And here it is. And also got the pods taken off the windshield. So yeah, set up a time lapse again. So much time lapse, but some of this stuff takes a while. Get these flares swapped, get the stock ones put back on the two-door. And I think that's all the parts we need to swap. This thing's starting to look like the other one, obviously. Can barely even tell the difference from the front. Yeah, let's get these flares swapped and go from there. Well, guys, the fender swap was done. Looks ridiculous, but we got the fender swapped. I think that's the last thing I needed to do. I got everything off the two-door that I wanted. So I just got to switch the tops because I'm going to sell this top because it's a fancy one with a sunroof and insulated and one piece and all that stuff. But, yeah, I think that's all we needed off of it. So it's ready to get the axles put in and be sold, unfortunately. How sad is that? But yeah, I'll show you what the four-door's looking like with the flares. It looks ridiculous, but it'll look better once the tons and 40s are on it. So yeah, here it is with the flat flares. Turned out pretty good. I gotta put the inner fenders in quick, which I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's get these inner fenders thrown in. Alright guys, got them inner fenders put in. That's going to be a wrap on this video. It might not be that long, I'm not sure yet until I edit everything, but we got everything switched. There's nothing left to switch. So I have the onboard air lane over here. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put this back in or not, if I'm going to go to an ARB twin. Because I'm going to be running air lockers, so I got to decide on that. And I also have the pods off the two-door. I'm not sure if I'm going to put on yet or not. So I'm going to wrap this video up. I don't want to get into anything else because the next video is going to be a long one. We're going to be reassembling the 14 bolt and getting it painted up and ready to put in. And then the video after that, we will be assembling the Dana 60 and getting it ready to put in. It's about three-ish more videos, and this thing should be on the tons and 40s. So I'll show you. I'll give you just a little sneak peek. So yeah, it's gonna look good. So hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too entertaining. I'm just swapping more parts, but this thing's coming along okay. It's starting to look good again. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, or share with a friend, and turn notifications on if you want to be updated when I post. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.